Alright, so I think we can finish our normalization chapter today. So let's talk about improving the design of your normalization. So last time we stopped here, slide 36. So you have come up with 4 tables after your third normal form. So we have project table, job table, employee table, and the assignment table. This is the previously the original dependency diagram. Okay, so although you have come up with these 4, okay, you have to check. So the table structure should be cleaned up to eliminate initial, partial and transitive dependencies. So we have done this in 2NF and 3NF. And then this one is important. You have to remember normalization cannot, okay, by itself you cannot rely it to make good design, right? So normalization is basically the one of the steps during the database design process. You still need to apply your knowledge on good database design, your knowledge on how to choose a good primary key, your knowledge on how to build relationship between tables in order to improve your normalization design. Okay, so normalization is good, okay, to eliminate data redundancies, because we work with the data, we work from the bottom up, right? But this one is you have to remember, you don't stop at normalization. You still have to check your overall design. So the issues here with this 4 table, we need to see, okay, we need to evaluate the EK assignments. So in this case, if you remember, job class is a group of words, like programmer, database designer, what else, all of the it's words. So this one, although it's line here, at the moment is not a very suitable primary key. Okay, other than that, we need to evaluate naming conventions. We need to make everything uniform and following the structure of the table. We need to refine attribute atomicity, maybe names. Okay, names become first name, last name, and so on, address, and so on. And we will need to identify new attributes. When you have the table, you can actually guess what are the attributes that we can add in logically. Okay, you can add in attributes to improve your design with justification. Alright, so other than that, probably we can find new relationships, okay, between the tables, and then we update it accordingly. So probably some tables will have new foreign key, for example, because they have relationship. And then if we have the foreign key, we need to update the attribute, right? So refine primary keys as required for data granularity. Maintain historical accuracy, maintain the data, the previous data that we have. After we go through the third NF, we need to put it in the respective table, and we will evaluate if we need to use derived attributes. It's up to you. The derived attributes, you can leave it there or you can include it in the table.